Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make color light. We'll start by understanding the fundamental principles of light and color. You'll learn about the primary colors of light and how their combination forms a vast array of visible colors. This foundational knowledge is key to creating any desired light effect, from subtle shifts to vibrant displays. Let's dive into additive color mixing, which is how light sources combine. When you mix red, green, and blue light in equal proportions, you get white light. This is different from mixing paints. Combining any two of these primary colors, like red and blue, will produce a secondary color such as magenta. Understanding these combinations is crucial for controlling your light output. To practically create color light, you'll often use tools like LED fixtures. These allow for individual control over red, green, and blue channels, giving you millions of possible colors. Alternatively, you can use physical color filters with traditional light sources. Dimmers are also essential for adjusting brightness, which subtly impacts how we perceive the color's saturation and tone. The applications for color light are incredibly diverse. From setting a specific mood in a room to creating dramatic effects in stage productions, understanding color light is invaluable. Photographers use it to shape their images, and designers employ it to accentuate architectural details. Experimenting with different colors and intensities can truly transform any environment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.